Okay, beautiful. Now that you've recorded your meals for the day, we're going to show you how to share them with your trainer. So go to the bottom right hand corner where there's three dots that say more and click on that. Then we are going to nutrition, click on that. When I get to nutrition, there's two main screens you want to show. You want to show the calorie screen right here, so you'll screenshot this and send it in the group chat. And you want to look at net calories versus goal calories. In this case, the calories were just slightly over the goal. Being over by under 100 calories, it's not that big of a deal. You want to get as close to your calorie goal as possible. If you're 100 calories under or over, again, not that big of a deal. Then we want to go to the macros. We want to screenshot this page and share it also. Um, the big thing that we want to see on this is just the protein, because the main things you're tracking right now are protein and overall calories. So the protein was at 123 grams, the total is at 27%, the goal was 25%. 2% over, not a big deal. I'd rather you be a little over or a little under, just don't be way over or way under. So we'll screenshot that, send it in the chat, and we will talk to you and keep learning and keep recording.